this video, I'll guide you through how to search expired listings in PropWire. Searching expired listings can be a useful strategy when looking for real estate opportunities. These properties can be valuable because the owners have previously shown interest in selling, which means there may already be some motivation behind the property. Using PropWire, you can narrow down your search and create a more focused list of expired listings that match your criteria. To get started, open your PropWire account and go to the main dashboard. Once you are on the home screen, the first thing you need to do is choose your search area. Click on the location search option and enter the city or zip code where you want to find expired listings. After selecting the area, PropWire will display the total number of properties available in that location. This gives you an idea of the size of the market you are searching through before applying any filters. To find expired listings, open the Additional Options menu and select the MLS Filters section. Inside the MLS filters, locate the MLS Status option. From there, select the Failed Status, which represents expired listings. After applying this filter, you can save and close the settings. However, it is often helpful to narrow the date range as well. For example, focusing on listings that expired within the past year can help you find owners who may still have an interest in selling. Older expired listings may be less relevant because the owner's situation or plans may have changed. Adjust the date range based on your preferred timeframe, then save and close the filters. PropWire will update the results and show the properties that match your expired listing criteria. At this point, you can continue refining the list by adding more filters. For example, you can use the property type filter to focus on specific types of properties, such as single-family homes. You can also adjust the price filter to match your budget or investment strategy. Setting a price range helps remove properties that are outside your target range and keeps your results more relevant. Next, open the Owner Filters section. You can select individual owners if you prefer to work directly with personal property owners instead of businesses. You can also adjust the years of ownership filter to focus on owners who have held the property for a longer period of time. Another useful filter is properties owned by the owner. Limiting this number can help you focus on owners with smaller portfolios, which may make negotiations more straightforward. After applying all your preferred filters, save and close the settings. PropWire will update the results again, leaving you with a smaller and more targeted list of expired listings. That's how you can search expired listings in your PropWire account. By combining MLS filters with property, price, and owner filters, you can create a more focused list of potential opportunities.